Greetings, digital trailblazers. I'm Jack Thompson, your digital marketing explorer, and today we're embarking on an epic quest through the dense jungle of marketing technologies. Imagine being lost in a wilderness of algorithms, platforms, and data streams. Sounds terrifying, right? Well, strap on your metaphorical hiking boots because we're about to navigate this complex landscape with the precision of a GPS and the humor of a stand-up comedian. First checkpoint, Google Analytics, the reconnaissance drone of web tracking. Pros, free comprehensive tracking, detailed visitor insights, integration with Google ecosystem. Cons, steep learning curve, can be overwhelming for beginners. Advanced features require expert navigation. Next territory, Mailchimp, the email marketing Swiss Army knife. Pros, intuitive drag-and-drop interface, beautiful, professional templates, automation that works smarter, not harder. Cons, pricing escalates quickly as you grow. Limited advanced segmentation in lower tiers. Can feel restrictive for large campaigns. Social media management, enter Hootsuite, our digital machete for content scheduling. Pros, centralized post management, cross-platform scheduling, team collaboration features. Cons, free version is cramped, analytics in basic plan are limited, can be expensive for small teams. SEO exploration, SEMrush, our topographical map of digital visibility. Pros, comprehensive keyword research, competitor analysis tools, content optimization suggestions. Cons, premium pricing, steep learning curve, can be information overload. Listen up, marketing adventurers. No single tool is a magic compass that solves everything. The real secret? Adaptability. Start small, experiment fearlessly, and never stop learning. Mix and match these tools like a digital DJ mixing tracks. Pro survival tips. Always have a backup strategy. Keep learning and updating your skills. Test, measure, adjust. Before I hack my way back through the digital jungle, do me 3 favors. Like this video. Your digital approval means everything. Subscribe to my channel. Join the marketing expedition. Comment below, what's your favorite marketing tool? This is Jack Thompson, your digital marketing explorer, signing off. Stay curious, stay strategic, and may your conversion rates be ever in your favor.